Now, in a bid to boost revenues generated by counties, Brand Kenya Board has developed a county branding index for counties that seeks to determine the strength of the counties to position themselves as hubs for investments, trade and tourism. Once the county branding index is adopted by all the 47 counties and branding mainstreamed in the core budget for the counties, the results will include new markets, better and more developed cities and towns, improved service delivery, more trade and investment potential.
For tourism, which seems to be getting a lot of the attention, we also have trade and investment CECs, and we'll be looking towards you to assist us to have your members and industries in your counties adopt the mark of identity, and we shall be engaging you in that program further. And that is the same thing with Make It Kenya campaign, which is a global campaign, and if you're able to position yourselves as counties favorably, it will then be easier for us to elevate your status into the global campaign and Make It Kenya, showing your county as a county that globally that is good for investment and for trade and as well as tourism.
We have increased our investments in our counties, and to ensure that the people in every county are able to bring out the best of their businesses, of their future, and have the vision of making Kenya a great place. To create an